Hey everybody, it's Kingdom and welcome to another how-to video. So with Netflix coming out with a recent update, that means another video of how to clear your recent viewing history. So as always, you go to click on your profile. Now this is a question I've gotten from a couple of people. It's no different for iOS or Android. For iOS, it's just simply a click to the side, while Android, it's just by the bottom. So as you can see here, we have a couple of things on my continue watching that I will clear up. So just like iOS and Android, you'll find for here again, scrolling down, and for Android, I think it's just across the board, scroll across. You just find where it says account, and that will pop you to their page. Now, it does really suck how they don't have it on the actual app, but I think it's their way of trying to get people to actually go onto their website, which I do get. It does suck, but I do get it. So it will bring you to the top. I just don't want to show you guys all my information, so it will pop you to the top. You scroll down to the bottom and go to viewing activity. Now, as you can see here, there are a couple of things. Oh, we are in my wife's. Here we go. Let's go to mine. There we go. So let's go back. There we go. So as you can see here, these are the things I was just talking about a few moments ago. So what you do for a movie is just simply that. And if you notice, there was a key thing there. It's changed a little bit. So now it says hiding from view history instead of before where it, and as well as it's no longer the X, it's this weird circle with a line across it. I don't know what's the significance of it. Maybe they just want to change the looks of it or whatever the case may be. But I do have to say it does run a little bit smoother than before. So once again, with a, let's see if we can find another movie. I don't know if I can. I think I've already recently cleared it off, just trying to see if there's a big change to it. Nope, that's all I got. Okay, so for a show, it is hide series, just again like that. And then for the movie, it's just simply you just do it one time, and that's it. It's over. So we're going to go back to the page. And now, as you will see, it disappeared on that. And now we'll just do again hide series. It'll clear off all the episodes. You jump back, and now that's gone. And there's also another little change that I wanted to make. I think some other videos have done, or some other channels have done this as well, but they do also have it so you can clear off your rating system for whatever the reason may be, which is really kind of nice as well. But it's not, again, it's not a significant, huge update, but their viewing activity thing I've noticed wasn't working as well, so maybe the new update was to correct that. Whatever the case is, it does work quite well now, so I'm happy about that. It's kind of weird. I didn't really expect to do a how-to video, especially this one, just before the whole markup between my 200th video and the amount of subscribers. But it makes sense, seeing as how doing videos like this is how I got my channel a little bit bigger. So I'm actually quite happy to do it. So if you guys still have any problems or if you want me to go over anything again, just let me know in the comment section below. As always, like, share, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Stay tuned for that special video. See you guys later. Bye.